Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please do take some seconds and hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't done so. Please do that so you can join the family, okay? And thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video we'll be talking about razor bumps. Yes, the causes of razor bumps, how you can get it and how you can prevent it. That's what we'll be talking in today's video, okay? So please keep watching. Let's get right into it. So guys, this is what is called razor bumps, and there are things that you do while shaving that actually cause this. Yes, sometimes you might be shaving your private parts, be it your armpit, your bare region, your down there. Maybe you're shaving it the wrong way, and after doing that, after shaving it the wrong way, definitely you will have razor bumps, okay? But in today's video I'll be telling you how you can shave to avoid that, okay? So the first thing you have to know is never shave on a dry skin, because when you shave on a dry skin, you are creating friction. You are creating friction, thereby irritating the skin. And after shaving, definitely you will develop razor bumps after shaving. So before you shave, make sure you wet the areas you want to shave. Yes, like if you want to shave your armpit, make sure you wet it with water and soap before you shave. If you don't want to use water and soap to wet the areas, then go into shower, take your bath. After bathing, then you can go ahead and shave. And if you don't want to shave after bathing, the next option is to apply aloe vera gel on the areas you want to shave before you start shaving. There are also some products you can get from the shop that can help to prevent razor bumps after shaving, okay? So that is the first thing. Never shave on a dry skin. That is no, 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 no. So the second thing you have to avoid while shaving is to make sure that the shaving stick you will be using is very sharp. Don't use a blunt shaving stick to shave. Don't use a blunt razor to shave. Make sure the razor you will be using is very sharp. Because if you use a razor that is not sharp, while shaving, you will be going over and over the same place you've shaved, just because you want to shave off everything, just because you want to achieve a clear shave. But because the razor is blunt, one shave will not get rid of the hairs, so you have to go over and over again before you can get a clear shave. So use a sharp razor to avoid over and over again shaving, okay? If that makes sense. We will still demonstrate all these things I am saying, okay? So that is it. Never ever shave with a blunt razor. It will cause your skin to irritate. Shaving over and over will cause your skin to be irritated, causing razor bumps, okay? That is the second thing you must avoid. Then the third thing you have to avoid is to make sure that you don't shave across the hair grains. What do I mean by that? Like my eyebrow is growing like this way. The hair is coming out this way. Don't go and shave this way. No, shave along the hair grain. Yes, because the hair is coming out this way, if you want to shave, you shave this way. Okay, you shave this way. That is the right way to shave, so you can actually avoid razor bumps. So right now I have to show you guys the practical things I've just mentioned, okay? Then after that we'll talk about how you can treat razor bumps if you already have one, okay? So like I said, the first thing I said was never to shave on a dry skin. So before you shave, you get your water or aloe vera, whichever one you prefer to use. You get it, then go ahead. So this is my armpit now. I'll go ahead and apply aloe vera on it. Then massage it. After applying aloe vera on it, now is wet. Now the area is no longer dry. Then the second thing to do is to shave with a sharp razor. This is sharp razor. This one I have here is new. If possible, don't use your shaving stick twice. Yes, shave and throw away. This is not even costly, so you can afford it. Use it once, throw it away, then get another one the next time you want to shave. So this one is a new shaving stick. I'll go ahead and take out this. Then I will shave with a sharp shaving stick, which is the second thing. And the third thing is never to shave across the hair grain. Yes, we all know that the hair in the armpit grows downward. They grow like this. They come out like this. So you don't have to shave like this. So this is the right way to shave. And you shave once, you see. Don't go there again. You come this side, then you shave. Don't go twice to the same place. If you go twice on the same place you've shaved before, you will be irritating the skin. That's why it's necessary to use a sharp shaving stick to avoid going over and over again the same areas you've shaved. Okay, so that is it. Like you all can see, I shaved once and I have a clear armpit already, so I don't need to shave over and over again. I was able to shave it once because I used the sharp shaving stick. So with this now, it's hardly for me to have develop a razor bumps. Using these techniques that I've mentioned, it's hardly for you to develop razor bumps. Okay, guys. So now I'll clear this, then you will see that I have a clear shaving. So now I'll go ahead and clear this out. If you're taking your shower, you can go ahead and shower. So you see. So that is it. You all can see I have a clear shave. Yes. So it's necessary to use a sharp razor. Okay, guys. So that is it. Then if you already have razor bumps, this is what you must do. Okay. So first, you get a clean plate, then get one red onion. You can as well use the white one. Go ahead and peel the skin. After peeling the skin, then you get a grater. Use the smallest size of your grater and grate the onion. If you don't want to grate, you can go ahead and blend it without adding water. After that, you get ginger. Peel the ginger and go ahead and grate it as well, or you can blend both of them together. Okay, so after grating it, you go ahead and mix it with fresh aloe vera or gel one, okay, whichever one you have. After that, you mix it very well and it's ready to be used. So now we are done mixing and this is it. So how do you apply this? If you already have razor bumps, go ahead, use cotton wool. Use cotton wool, wash those areas, be it on your bed area, your armpit region, your private area, wherever you have the razor bumps. Go ahead and take some amount of it with cotton wool. Then apply on the places you have it. Then go ahead and apply it on the places you have the bumps. Apply it on those places like this. Then after applying it, you leave it. Let it sit there for 30 minutes, then you wash it off, okay? So this will help to reduce the bumps. This will help to dry up the bumps that you've got. It will help to clear those bumps, okay? So guys, that is it. This is how you can clear your razor bumps if you already have one. But please try to make sure that the 3 techniques I mentioned that you can use to avoid it, try to make sure that you start practicing them, okay? I promise you, once you start practicing them, you see that you will stop developing razor bumps, okay? Once you start doing the right thing, you will stop developing razor bumps, okay? So please, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, comment on this video, share this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Thank you.